Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 2 of Samba. Just to get our brains in gear, we've got a quick bit of retrieval practice to see how much we can remember from last week. You have 3 questions on the board. Off you go. Remember to pause the slideshow so that you can answer the questions. You can take as much time as you need. So on to today's lesson. Our learning aims for today are how to identify the difference between beat and rhythm, understand what is meant by the word ostinato, how to arrange a simple rhythm to last for 2 bars, how to perform a rhythm over a steady beat. Our key words for today are beat, rhythm, ostinato and arrange. Our first task today is going to be a practical task. I'm going to clap to you a number of different rhythms over a 4-beat pulse. I would like you to clap those rhythms straight back to me as an echo. Here we go. How did you get on with that exercise, guys? Were you able to stay in time with me? Were you able to copy those rhythms? So the question is, what is the difference between beat and rhythm? Have a listen to this explanation. The difference between beat and rhythm. Beat sets the speed of the music. It is steady and constant. It's like a ticking clock. Rhythm is the patterns you play inside each beat. You can play fast on one beat, slow on the next, or not at all. Rhythm is created when you mix together fast and slow patterns. And beat is like our ticking clock, and you either choose to play slow or fast rhythm on each tick and tock. For example, if we take the first 4 insect-themed rhythms and play one on each beat of the clock, frog, tadpole, butterfly, grasshopper. Let me play that to you again. Frog, tadpole, butterfly, grasshopper. You should notice a few things. Frog lasts for 1 whole beat. Tadpole is faster to fit the word in, and butterfly is even faster. However, grasshopper ends with 2 faster syllables. You will have noticed that all the rhythms that we're playing are very, very short and they're very, very catchy. They're repetitive. This is a key feature of samba music. Short ideas repeated over and over again. Those short musical ideas are called ostinato. The word ostinato means a short repeating pattern of music. And samba music relies heavily on lots and lots of different short rhythmic ostinato. So on to our first learning task. Practice playing the rhythms in rhythm exercise 1 below over a steady beat. Use the instrument that you made last week to play the rhythms. The rhythms used are the same as our previous slide and follow the words frog, tadpole, butterfly, caterpillar. Practice each word or rhythm on its own and then attempt to follow the rhythm pattern all the way through. You will have 5 minutes for this task. Remember to pause the slideshow so that you can answer the questions. You can take as much time as you need. And now on to learning task 2. Practice playing the rhythms in rhythm exercise 2 over a steady, constant beat. Use the instrument that you made last week to play the rhythms. The rhythms used are the same as our previous slide and follow the words frog, tadpole, butterfly, caterpillar. But 2 new patterns have been added: mosquito, grasshopper. Practice each word or rhythm on its own and then attempt to follow the rhythm pattern all the way through. You will have 5 minutes for this task. Remember to pause the slideshow so that you can answer the questions. You can take as much time as you need. When we are writing music, we are known as a composer. This means that we are creating our own rhythms, our own melodies or tunes, and our own musical ideas. When you've already been given rhythm, or given a tune, or given a melody, and you are putting it into a new order and you're trying to make it up as you go along, we call this arranging. Your next learning task is going to be all to do with how to arrange different rhythm patterns. Your final task for today, learning task 3. Using your instrument and the rhythm patterns given, I would like you to arrange your own rhythm that lasts for 8 steady beats. Write down your rhythm so that you can share it when we next meet. You may like to experiment with writing with a different number of rhythms to see which is the most effective and which works best with your instrument. Have fun, guys. See you soon.